Hi everybody and welcome back to my tropical garden. Well, these aren't quite tropical really, are they? Onions. These are my onion sets and I've tried to give them a head start. I did a video 2 weeks ago and this is how they've grown in 2 weeks. Now the idea of the head start was I plant them up in these little containers like this, put them underneath a grow light, a little bit of heat, it's quite warm in here, and they start shooting quite rapidly really. But not only that, when I plant these out, the little birds that tend to like pulling these things out, but see they've got some root on now. Can you see this one? You can feel its resistance and it's got some root on there, and the birds have a job to get them out. So I'm going to be planting these out in the field back of my garden. Stay with me and we better get started. So, this little patch here, that's going to be their new home. Seems quite dry at the moment, but I'll have to start watering it because we haven't had much rain for ages now. Anyway, less talking and more working. Now I'm going to be planting these onion sets about 4 inches apart. That should be loads of room for them to grow. And I'm also using a cane so that I can keep these onion sets in a reasonably straight line. And I'll put them in so the bottom third or half are up to the level of the soil, which should be fine, and then just follow them along with a little drink of water like that. Just a little drink just to get them started. Well, that's the last one. So they should come up nicely there. I'll give them a little feed every 2 or 3 weeks through the summer. And at the end of the year, about October time, when the tops start to go brown, I'll fold them over, lay them on the ground, leave them for a week or two, then pull them up and dry them out in my shed. And we'll have a lovely plentiful supply of onions, which should last us for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again in the next video in my tropical garden.